Okay. Magelia. I should put the volume up a bit. Let's try Sicilian actually. Bit of a change. Oh, will my yeah. Will my game be annotated on YouTube? Oh dear. Why is it slowed down though? Okay. I'll play Dragon, Najdorf Dragon. He's going to play Bishop E2. So avoid, the main dragons you're going to get smashed on the H file. So Dragon, Najdorf. Who's Magelia anyway? So I want to play a bit of queenside counterplay. I'll let him take it on some. I'll play Bishop B7 next. So E5 is probably a big threat. If I play Queen C8, so E5 may take. Then what? Knight E5 might be sufficient. Actually, Knight C4 here. I'm on E3 and B2. That looks good. Okay, so E5 here, am I loosening D5 too much? Probably. I can't help it. Don't know what else to do. Might get F4 anyway, highlighted. Like Knight H5, just take. Loosens his D5 is out of the question, I guess. What about just taking the Knight E5? Hang on. Take Knight E5. So I've isolated his E pawn. But he's really getting good clamp on D5 now. If he takes on F6. Right there. Okay, so it's strategically horrible. That knight on D5. Can I undermine it? I don't know, F5. Asking for trouble. But what else do I do? I've got to try and undermine D5. I'm not really threatening F takes because it's king. I don't want to play king F8. So what is the plan here? Queen E6. Then bishop moves somewhere. Say anywhere. Bishop H4 just to get it out of the way. So I want to play rook AE8. I'll do G3. How on? Just say G3. Okay. Nope. Queen E6 here. Oh no, I think I'm in trouble. Clearly. If I take on D5, take on C2. Actually, there's Rook A7. Rook A7 is a resource. Try and defend this. It's taking on C2. Probably crazy. But this Rook A7 looks nifty. Is this the last chance to play it as well? Queen C2. Let's imagine queen c2. Where's bishop moving? Was it moved? E takes. Looks dangerous. G takes. Am I getting mated? Or just rook c1? No, you can't give up the bishop. I think I'll dare to take that. Right. Queen b2 here. Oh, there's back row, rook b1, rook a6. Bit of a back row thing going on here. Actually, the queen could be useful in these dark squares, actually. So rook b1, rook a6. Oh, turning into my king position now. Can I just about play that? Just about to find out. Is it going to be horrible? Okay, have I got knight g4 coming up? He's not mating me. Knight g4. That's queen e6. King h8. So knight g4. Anything better? Maybe bishop c4. I'll play knight g4, I think. Don't know. The queen can come back now to g7 anyway. No, bishop c4. Hang on, bishop c4 is probably mating, unfortunately. Oh, there. I just realised. Okay. Rook a1, knight e7. That's sharp. I don't know if I can survive it. The queen's on the dark squares. I'm confused. Oh, it's too tactical for me. What's going on? Okay. So knight f2 check here. He can't take. So queen b1. So king g1. Say. So say king g1, and I don't know. I like queen e5, just trying to get the queens off. Is that any good? Actually, I'm threatening h2 anyway, so if I get the queens off, I might have a good chance. Yeah. Just left to make one. That was nice of him. He's... Oh. Alright. He's been up to 2665, this guy on Blitz, whoever he is. I should ask really who he is. Shall I mention his real name? British player? Okay, he's not saying. Okay. But he's been up quite high rated. That's probably one of the better wins today. So Sicilian defence. I've actually used the Sicilian defence with, I think, my first win in several months. With the Sicilian defence. Oh dear, oh dear. So it's from Canada. From Canada. Does seem to know me. Don't know. No, quite a few strong players now from Canada. Okay. What do we say about this game? It's not really strategic like the French defence, is it? It's a bit of a mess. Not very instructive. It's just chaos, basically. Huge blunder. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it though. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.